Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and this is a video on the price prediction of Idex. And guys, a lot of people complaining about coins being not predicted, and you can see these are approximately 25 requests I got. I noted down, and there are still hundreds of comments are left and DMs in the WhatsApp, so comment section, and there would be around something like 100 requests. So guys, I can't complete every request, but I will try to do the analysis of each coin you have requested. So be patient. Inshallah I will try to predict every coin. So here today I'm gonna post a video about the Idex. So this is a short analysis video. I will try to post the short videos so you guys can get analysis on the daily time frames. So here, after the parabolic move, you can clearly see this is a parabolic move. This is the base 1, base 2, base 3. Okay, keep that in your mind. This is the base 1, this is the base 2, this is the base 3. After the base 3, usually what happens, we make the all-time high. If I show you the parabolic move here, you can see here base 1, base 2, base 3, and after the base 3 usually we fall down. Here if I show you this one, we have the base 1, base 2, base 3, base 4. Again here base 1, base 2, base 3, base 4. Okay, so you have to keep this in your mind, what happens after base 3s and multiple. This is the anatomy of the parabolic trend, a wonderful article written by this guy. I will post the link below. Usually after the eventually the curved structure is invalidated. Okay, invalidation occurs when you see a sharp decline in price. It means the parabolic structure is no longer formed, and price is not gonna move in the upper direction, and then it happens that the market then shifts towards the distribution phase, then accumulation, reaccumulation, then accumulation area. So if I show you this chart, what do you see? It is following the parabolic move here at this area, and then we saw a distribution phase at this area, or the sell-off you can call. If I zoom in a bit, you can see the price when after making the huge move, we saw a sell-off, then a retest again at this area, then we saw a distribution, and then again the accumulation and breakout again. But it tried to test the level here at this point, but got rejected. Then again we went into the distribution phase. This was the accumulation phase. It again, after the accumulation, it tried to break, and this is a trend line which is a valid trend line. If you take a look, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch. So let me delete the other line. Okay, let me delete this one. Okay, so let's find out this one. It's a good line. If I make it a bit, I think I should make it this one and make it bold bit. Yeah, this trend line. Okay, you can clearly see this trend has been tested. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a valid trend line. Okay, it's a valid trend line. And if we take a look at here down there, the price is forming a triangular wedge here at this area. Okay, if I show you, if I draw another line here, maybe somewhere here like this one. So this could also be this line can also be drawn. If I draw the line here, sorry guys, if I draw, yeah, okay. Now if you watch out these two lines, okay, I'm gonna point out this trend line, this trend line, and then we're gonna find out the point of confluence. Now this is the point of confluence. This was also the point of confluence where we saw two lines converge. Here we saw testing the trend line as well as the resistance. Okay, here a perfect, this was 99% a perfect line where you can see the trend line as well as the horizontal resistance got tested, and we saw a breakout. Again here horizontal resistance tested, and we saw a perfect rejection from here. The price is making swing lows, lower highs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So price is going low and low in the time phase. You can see here every time when price pushes, it makes a lower high. Every time after after a push, we see a lower high. Again the price, now at this phase the trend has changed a bit, but what is it, what is information, we might gonna see another level being tested at this area, and then we might gonna break out from this area, either downside or in the upside direction. So the key level of support would be this area. Okay, I'm gonna post out here this, so 0.40415 or the area around here would be the perfect support. Okay, perfect support, because in the past we have tested this level. Okay, and also recently we tested this level, but if it tested once more with a strong volume, we can also break down. But if it is tested with a, you know, small candles with a small volume, then we might gonna consolidate or accumulate at this level 0.04, and after that, if we have a strong volume, we can break out, and on the upside the level of resistance would be 0.53 and 0.48. so currently the price is moving in between this trend line. Okay, in between this triangle wedge, you can see here the upside as a resistance, the downside as a support, the horizontal line as a demand. So, and down there you can clearly see the volume is so low, it's very low volume. Okay, so we need some strong volume for the price to move upward. So right now I think the price is gonna retest here again at 0.04, and the next one would be somewhere around here, 0.41. okay, so the support area is 0.41 and 0.40, and the resistance one would be this one. So we might gonna see a breakout afterwards. Okay, we might gonna see a breakout, and we have to wait. Okay, but you can see this was the huge candle which break out from this level, and it has not been tested yet. Okay, so this level has not been tested, it can be tested in the future, so be prepared for this level to get tested at 0.34. so if we get a strong rejection from the upside and a strong volume, selling volume down there, then 0.34 is also possible. Keep that in your mind. Okay, 0.34, because this level has not been tested. Okay, so I'm pretty sure the price is gonna stay, it's gonna come down to this level, because it is a slow distribution which is happening right now. So if you have you know, bought at some high price, you can narrow down the average entry by DCA. Okay, so this is the only way you can do, otherwise you can hit the stop loss, and you can sell in loss, but that would not be a good strategy. Instead you can do the average down your entries. So if the candle closes above, if it breaks out this trend line, it will be a breakout on the upside. If it stays in the region, then the price is gonna consolidate. If it break out towards the downside, breaking this downward trend line and the support horizontal line, then the price is gonna move towards this area. I hope you got the point, and now you can trade according to the levels which I have described. So thanks for watching guys, take care, bye.